Hey team, in this how-to video, we're going over to how to start and operate your Delfast Farmblazer 10 compressor. First of all, make sure that your fuel switch is on. Turn the pressure release valve off so air will come out. That way there, it's not putting any strain on the engine when you're trying to start it. Switch the compressor on, turn the choke on, have the revs at halfway in between the turtle and the rabbit. Grab the pull cord and pull. Once the compressor is started, let it run for 2 to 3 seconds and then turn your choke off. Make sure that you turn your choke off. The compressor will then rev up, start to get warm, and that's when we will turn our tap on. Once the tap's turned on, the compressor will then build up pressure, and you'll see that on the gauge here. This compressor will get up to 120 psi, and then the unloader will start dumping the excess air. And there you have it team. Thanks for watching this how-to video, and I hope you find it helpful.